Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach another lesson, that is cattle wealth and seafoods. What is our lesson name? Cattle wealth, seafoods. So what are cattle, cows, buffaloes, oxen? Okay, so here sheep, goats. So these also be rare. So these are the livestock. What are these? Livestock. So this livestock plays an important role in a Indian economy. So about 20.5 million people are depending upon the cattle to fulfill their basic needs. So we need so many things. Yes, Nana? We need food, water, clothes, shelter. Yes, this is all we need. So to fulfill our basic needs, so the people, 20.5 million of the people are depending upon the cattle to fulfill their basic needs. Okay, so here the farmers, they are using he buffaloes or oxen for ploughing and for sowing the seeds and pulling the carts. Yes, and the cattle dung is used as a manure for crop production. And this cattle dung and urine makes the land fertile. So here, that's why these cattle are the backbone of agriculture. Backbone of agriculture. So we read the cows and she buffaloes. Yes, Nana? Yes. So what do we get from the cows and she buffaloes? We get milk, means they give us milk. So these cows and she buffaloes are called milch cattle. What are the milch cattle? Okay. So here, see, there are different breed of cows. Okay, see how much they give. First, a Jersey cow gives 6 liters of milk in a day. So it is better breed of cows than our country breeds. So we are seeing so many varieties of cows in our country. So, but these Jersey cows are better breed than our country breed. Okay, and Ongol breed in Andhra Pradesh, Ongol breed of oxen and cows are popular. And Haryana breed cows are native of Haryana. Okay, children, and they yield more milk. Means that is 10 to 15 liters of milk in a day. They give us 10 to 15 liters of milk in a day. And these also better breed than our country breeds. Means they give more milk than our country breeds. Okay, children. And buffaloes of Murrah breed are strong and they also give 10 to 16 liters of milk in a day. Okay, children. And next, Deccan breed sheep, Nellore breed sheep. So see the difference between these. So the Deccan breed sheep are found mostly in Anantapur, Kurnool districts of Andhra Pradesh and Mahabubnagar, Medak, Nalgonda, Warangal and Hyderabad districts of Telangana. So these Deccan breed sheep are a better variety and they give us more meat. Next, Nellore breed sheep. Nellore breed sheep are found mostly in Putti Sriramulu district, that is Old Nellore, and Prakasham districts of Andhra Pradesh. So these Nellore breed sheep are long, but they give us lesser wool. Okay, less quantity of wool and their ears are very long and they hang downwards. Their ears are very long, very large, and they hang downwards. And they give us nutritious and tasty meat. Means this meat keep us healthy and protect us from diseases. Okay children, and they also give us, this Nellore breed sheep give us wool to make blankets and sweaters. Okay children, next, poultry farms. So what are poultry farms? Poultry farms are the places where fowls are reared in large number. Do you know poultry farms? Yes. Near our villages there are so many poultry farms. Yes, Nana? So what are poultry farms? Poultry farms are the places where fowls are reared in a large numbers. So we rear fowls for eggs and meat. Yes, Nana? So the fowls which are reared for only eggs are called layers. The fowls which are reared only for meat are called broilers. Okay children, there are two types of fowls, that are egg laying fowls and meat giving fowls. Okay, so the fowls which are reared for only eggs are called layers. Fowls which are reared only for meat are called broilers. Okay children, so we are rearing fowls in our houses. Yes, Nana? Hens. So there are country fowls. So a country fowl lays 50 to 60 eggs in a year. In a year. But a white leghorn lays 280 eggs in a year. 280 eggs in a year. And Rhode Island Red, it is another quality breed of fowls. Okay, and next, seafoods, fish and prawns. So nowadays, farmers are growing crops, but crops are giving less yield. Means they are getting very less yield from the crops. Yes, Nana? And they are not getting sufficient rains in time. So that's why they are not showing interest to cultivate the lands. Slowly the cultivable land is decreasing and they have choose for other occupation and leaving the cultivation. Okay, and that people are rearing marine animals like fish and prawns. Marine animals means seawater animals. Okay, no, salty water. Seawater is salty. Yes, no. Marine animals like fish and prawns are reared by the people. Okay, so here these marine animals are being used to serve as a food for the human beings. So the people who are living near the coastal regions, they are depending on marine animals for their food. Yes, children? Yes. So first, fish. So fishes have more proteins. So fish are protein food materials, and meat of fish, this gives vitamins which are necessary to our body, that to keep our body healthy and protect us from diseases. Okay children, so which vitamins we get from fish? D and B2 vitamins we get, and we also get omega-3 fatty acids and minerals also we get from the meat of the fish. Okay children, next, prawns. So the people who are living in a coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh, they are rearing the prawns in the tanks. Okay children, the people who are living in a coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh, they are rearing the prawns in the tanks. Okay, so here there are two varieties of prawns, that are tiger prawns and scampi prawns. Tiger prawns and scampi prawns. So here the fish and prawns are grown in a fresh water as well as in a sea water. Okay, fish and prawns which are grown in a freshwater tanks are called freshwater fish and freshwater prawns. And the fish and prawns which are reared in a sea water are called saltwater fish and saltwater prawns. Okay children, so some people those who are living in a coastal regions, they are suffering with when they are suffering with the scarcity of food, that time these marine animals are being served as a food for the human beings. Did you understand children? So when the people are suffering with the scarcity of food, that time these marine animals are serve as a food for the people. Okay children, did you understand this lesson? So this is our lesson. So cattle are the backbone of agriculture, and cattle dung and urine is used for the crop production, means this makes the land fertile. Okay, and we learn different breeds of cows, buffaloes, sheep and fishes, means hens, fowls are reared, which are reared for only eggs are called layers, and which are reared only for meat are called broilers. Yes, and fish and prawns are reared in freshwater tanks as well as in sea water. Yes children, did you understand this? So these marine animals are served as a food for the human beings. And we get nutritious and tasty food from these animals. Okay, from the sheep and fish. Did you understand children this lesson? Yes. So read this lesson thoroughly. Okay.